All right, the other website is called freelancer.com, is for people who are interested to get jobs online. So if you're looking for writing jobs, go on freelancer.com. Freelancer.com operate the same way like upwork.com. It's an online marketplace where it connects freelancer with buyers, who companies, people who are looking to outsource jobs to freelancers on this platform. So for example, a company might want to hire someone to write for them an article, so they come to freelancer.com and they post that job here, and then you as a freelancer who is looking for jobs online, you go on this platform called freelancer.com. You signing up is free of charge. It not take more than 5 minutes. You fill up your profile. You make sure you fill up with all the necessary skill set concerning that niche you're in. Then once you have filled up your profile, and of course before you, and of course remember, each and every person who works on this platform, they are going to verify you. So make sure you give them your real names and of course your real IDs. And then after you have done all that, you start bidding for jobs. And of course you need also to have working samples in this types of job when it comes to online. Why? Because nobody will hire you if they cannot see the type of job you do. Then the other thing you need to know is you need to deliver work on time. You are in control of your own schedule. Whether you work for 30 hours, 10 hours, 5 hours, it's up to you. No one is going to force you because you're a freelancer. Then the pay rate is up to you to decide how much you're going to be paid, how much you're going to charge. If you're going to charge around $10 per hour, it's up to you. If it's $100 per hour, it's up to you. The end result is you to decide. Then the other thing you need to remember is when you are on this platform, please make sure you deliver high quality work. Why? Because nobody wants to work with someone who deliver poor quality work. So deliver high quality work so that you're able to secure future clients, so that you're able to land more clients. And the more clients you land, the more money for you. So go on freelancer.com if you're looking for jobs as a writer. There are so many jobs over here. They are looking for freelancers from around the world. So if you're based in Nairobi, Kenya, this is the place for you. This website is for you. If you're based in Nigeria, Canada, they don't care. All they want is just someone who has the necessary skill set. So remember, they're hiring freelancer globally. Yeah, so you just go on this platform, start working. And yes, they have worked with companies like Amazon, Facebook, Deloitte, and it is a company that is known worldwide.